Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the easiest method to add spacing between the elements of a repeating group. So many have asked me whether to use a margin or to add a padding between the elements like within a repeating group, but my answer is most of the time this does not apply to everything, but most of the time the answer is none of those, but a better and easier method to get exact correct spacing between the elements of a repeating group. So for this as the data source, I'm going to use a list of numbers. Nothing special. This is just the list of numbers from Misha's JavaScript toolbox plugin. So list of length, I'm going to use something that can be divided by 3, which is easy to demonstrate. And the increment is 1. So this will be our data source for the repeating group. Next, I'm going to add a repeating group here. So the type is going to be number. And the data source is going to be list of numbers. A is list. All right. So once we have this, my layout is going to be column, and with what we are going to do, this doesn't matter, the fixed width or fixed height. Just since I removed min height, I'm going to remove it height to content. We can change this later, and you can either keep this one, but if this is applied, it will be expanded. So there's no point using this. So I'm going to remove this as well. So it doesn't have a fixed number of rows or fixed number of columns. So as you know, in this case, it is going to apply spacing and expand the things within the repeating group. So what we are going to do is we'll be adding another group in here. This, so this will be an inner group, and this group is going to be a column, and it's fully expandable. It's not going to fit to anything. So all right, so this I'll add the color to this as well, background color, so which is easy to see. Right. All right, if I preview this, you can see there's only 1 pixel width here. I haven't added any margins or paddings, but the repeating group is fully expanded here. So I'll expand the list of numbers. Now the length is 12, so I'll make it 120. I'll make it 120. This is what we have now. So there's one box here left out. And now to add a proper padding, I'm not going to add anything to this, but for the repeating group, what I'm going to do is going to make this. Let's say I want to add 20 spacing in between these elements. So I'm going to make it 20. And I'm going to make the color 0% opacity. So what happens is it adds exactly same 20 padding horizontally and vertically. So if I preview this now, you can see it's really hard to get this with margins and paddings, so you need conditions as well, but without using any conditionals, margins or paddings, now we have achieved this. So this is the easiest method to add a proper space in between the elements of a repeating group. Hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe and like if you would like to see further tips and tricks about bubble.io in the future. Thank you.